Service station will be slightly near, but still just have the meter to show you. Bumper to bumper traffic. Girlfriend, boyfriend. Morning people. Today is the day. For a very long time, one conversation, one topic running about the Triumph 400 or 400Xs. Basically the engine stalling. Well, me being a big fan of Triumph engineering, I think they have really worked fast on it, and they have come up with an update. So when I tried to reach the team, they have agreed to do the ECU today for me. Maybe a 15-minute job. I will share an input about post ECU update. On May, I'm just meeting few of my friends. The moment you get into a biking community, you get a lot of friends, opportunity to meet people on the go. People would have been thinking about what is the engine heat compared to the segment category. The engine heat is nothing. Again, it depends upon from which bike you guys coming from. Well, my next long ride is going to be to Gavi Forest. I will share you more details about Gavi Forest, and if at all any contact details. Use my top box, whether it's a look, watch and then go. So today finally we have seen the Himalayan back. Well, there is a lot of question asked in terms of what is the vehicle heat. You guys can see nothing, but still just have the meter to show you what is the heat right now, and also show you after the vehicle is stopped. It's 77. Let's see after I go for a ride. Okay, Papa. Bye. Oh, finally the Pallavaram bridge is now officially a two-way. I actually love the height of this bike. See what is ahead of me also. So I'm going to test the engine heat after a heavy traffic. Let's see. I've done a very good kilometer, at least 15 kilometers, and few were like bumper to bumper traffic. It is like 95, 96 degrees. So during the start it's 58, and when it's fully run it's 97, which is pretty decent from my point of view. Again, perception vary. Well, Chennai, this is a very nice place to hang out, hang on with your friends, family, girlfriend, boyfriend, some social connect. Now it's 9:20. My appointment at Triumph is 10 o'clock. And for people who do not know, Triumph sales are there in 3 locations. One in Ananagar, second one in Greens Road, the third one is Ashok Pillar, done by Kivraj and Jai Triumph. And the service station are in Mount Road, and one more here. This is where I'm going. I never been here. I think it is inside this road. Oh my god, see all the EVs, no? ECU update kaga ulla vidalaya. Service station will be slightly near.
1 mm thickness and 3 mm thickness வரும்போது கொஞ்சம் நம்ம ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்றோம். பொசிஷன் ஸோ நாங்கள் எப்படி ஸ்கேலிங் பார்ப்போம்னா மிட் பொசிஷனில் வச்சுட்டு மேலே அண்ட் தென் லோயரில் எவ்வளோ வருது.
Okay, இப்போ லூஸாக இருக்குது பண்ணணும்.
லூஸாக
actually like the way the service engineer has attended. I felt slightly fine. We'll try to get connect. Oh wow, at last I am feeling really happy, and a very important update I just want to give you guys. I don't know what is your approach in terms of calling customer, but when I spoke to people, it was said that you guys can call based on the capacity. They can do it, or they're also parallelly are calling their customer. So it seems to be that this will help This is basically for the engine stalling, which has been a very long complaint. So I'm happy that at least Triumph has heard and they have responded. So let me ride maybe another 35-40 kilometers more. I have some personal work, so 50 kilometers back home. Before I close the vlog, in this 50 kilometers, let me give my inputs on this particular concern. And number 2 update is, which is a surprising factor on 400X. The brake lever, they are replacing to all the customers. It seems to be that the material is defective, at no change in the push-in or the dimension or size. It seems to be the material quality is slightly better. And I've added up 2 more accessories. One is put the small windshield. I would not say the windshield, just flyby screen, just for an aesthetic feel. And number 2 is I've changed my rear indicator. And the third info what I have to give, it seems to be every 2000 kilometer you have to check for the engine oil level. A top up of engine oil is what recommended, and they say approximately 100 ml of engine oil is required to top up to maintain the maximum level, which I was not aware about it. I don't know, it is my bad, or do comment me if you guys know this information. And they sell the engine oil on a 100 ml pack also, so you guys can carry. It's looking awesome. Wow, what a feel. And it really nice. Some service engineers really spend some quality time and explains about the bike, and I had good conversation with the service engineer. I'd like to thank him. Maybe this video might go lengthy. The reason is I wanted to show you practically is there any stalling happen. So I'm on second gear. Okay, now I'm second gear. I am holding the clutch. Okay, hold on. So I'm on the... Okay, I'll take some more spot. Traffic. So second gear. Sorry, let me be on the second gear. Holded my clutch. The clutch is on a hold. Normally by this time the engine would have stopped. Wow, it works. Yeah, holded it on second gear. Maybe I'll try do it on third gear. So third gear, holded the clutch. Still on a hold. No problem. Yeah, Triumph, great job. Well, no more engine stalling. See, second gear, hold it. No acceleration. Wow, awesome stalling. ECU is done, but I thought maybe rather me driving, because I got used to this bike. I allowed my friend to drive because he have no clue about it. Let's see whether the bike stops or not. So I put the Insta360 camera to cover him and see what all he does. So this is basically a raw test because a layman, he owns a Honda CB350 and he never rode this bike before. I purposely asked him to go in small gullies. That is where your second and the third gear comes in, and you will have a habit of holding the clutch. pillion comfort is also nice. Now after this ECU update, I started loving this bike a lot. Okay, Machi, hafal, yeah? Yeah. Measure the engine temperature right now. So the outside temperature is close about 27, 28. It's 98, 97. This is the reading. 99. So I think I can just see the heat here, not on top, bottom. I can see the heat, so it's fine. I don't want to put the bed out stand, so we can have this jack here on the go and then lift it, but the problem is the swing arm is actually tilted, it's not straight, it's in the other, because the swing arm is in this position. So that's the reason I've tried this is not working, so I would not recommend this one. And this is the product from Grand Pit Stop. I'll share the link in the description, the size and everything. Maybe you guys can try this, a must-have product, especially for travelers. So how I do is, I keep it here. So you guys can see it's really width. I keep it here. And now I can do the chain looping without a problem. Well, thanks for watching this particular video. I'm happy after the update. I'm very happy with the performance of the bike. It's just not only installing, the performance of the bike has increased is better in the second and third gear compared to what it was before. After doing close about 70 kilometers, I'm very, very happy. Now I can definitely tell my friends that this is a bike where you can really rely on in terms of the performance. So good to go. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Happy motoring. Jai Hind. Take care.